So the next concept to be learned is shutdown point. So shutdown point gives us the answer to up to what level of output a competitive firm continues to incur losses in the short run, from where it stops its process of production. So the firm will not indefinitely continue its losses. So the total amount of loss that the firm would like to bear is equal to the total fixed cost. The firm will continue to produce and sell output at a point where the price covers at least the short run average variable cost of production, that is P is equal to SAVC. And whenever the price falls below that, it will have to stop the process of production. If the price falls below the short run average variable cost, the average variable cost means the cost for or the cost incurred for hiring personnel, staff. So if it is not possible to pay them, it's better to close down. If the price falls below short run average variable cost, the firm will shut down and exit the industry. Thus, we can say that the shutdown point is that output level where P is equal to short run average variable cost, or P is equal to SAVC, and that is equal to MC. So here the firm tries to minimize losses to a maximum of average fixed cost per unit of output. The firm tries to minimize its losses. So it will be explained in the following diagram. That means there is point A in which short run average cost is equal to MC is equal to price. So here the output level is Q. However, at this output level, the firm incurs a loss of area MPAB. The output level where P is equal to SAVC equal to MC, which is represented by point A, is the shutdown point. Shutdown point is different from break-even point. At the output level Q, the total losses is MPAB, which is equal to the total fixed cost. So the difference between break-even point and shutdown point is that shutdown point is the closing down point. So break-even point is the condition in which price is equal to MR is equal to MC is equal to SAC. So that means the firm neither earns supernormal profit nor loss. No loss, no gain situation is break-even point, but shutdown point is a condition in which it is only earning just average variable cost and the loss is up to the fixed cost level. And if the price fall below this particular shutdown point level, it's better to stop the process of production. So point A, or at the output level OQ, the firm should shut down or close down. So here price is equal to SAVC